Okay, so I just got my driver's license, as you can tell. Well, not really. I'm doing training for driver's license right now, so let's hit the road. What? Why is there sirens behind me? What did I do? What did I do? The cop isn't turning around. Yo, hey! Let's try to pull me out of my car! Let's try to pull me out of my car! What? Don't you pull me out of my car! That's unacceptable! That's unacceptable! Oh, crap. I'm gonna go this way. See ya, suckers! Heh. I just said, see ya, suckers! Oh! Oh! Crap. Crap. Yo, why'd you pull in front of me? Why did that car turn to the left? That cop in front of me? Oh, heck no. Heck no. Just gonna stay right here. Can't see me. Yes, they can see me. Okay, we need to get. Oh! I'm scraping the car. I'm out of here. See ya. Excuse me. Oh! Crap. What the heck? Oh, crap! My goodness! Move! Heck no. Oh, heck no. I'm getting out of here. Crap, crap, crap. No, no, no. I give up. What just happened? I need to run. I need to run. I need to run right now. Oh, I need to run. They're coming after me. Oh, crap. I'm going this way now. Heck no, man. I'm leaving. Heck no. I need new car. I need new car. What? I gotta get out of here. Don't forget. It doesn't run anymore. Dang it. Crap. What is this? They arrest me. They better have, bro. Okay, for some reason, they decided to give me a second chance in this car. Even though I wrecked the first one, I don't know why they're letting me do it again. Okay. Got a green light, so I can just go right through it. Wait, oh crap. I'm going 70 miles an hour! My goodness! Alright. No, 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 no. Him looks at me! Look at him! Look at that man right there! He's more reckless than me! Put myself in neutral. Hey, what's your problem? What's your problem? Come here, man. Come here. Oh, heck no. Oh, heck no. Oh, heck no. Goodbye. Bye, sucker. How many cops after me? Oh my god. See ya, sucker. Okay, where do I go from here? I gotta go this way. Oh, crap. Nope, nope, nope. What's wrong with you guys? Oh my god. They smashed right into me. Okay, so I asked for a new car to drive, and they gave me a new one. So let's just hop in. Okay. Make sure this is our... Okay, here we go. No cops around? Okay. Feel the power in this thing. I'm definitely gonna scare those cops. They come after me. Okay, that's a green light anyway. We're cops are normal down here, I just realized. Come on, buddy. Come on. Oh, frick you. Frick you. Whee! Okay. Why are they after me, huh? Why are they after me, huh? Police collision. Or truck collision. Cyber, what are you doing? Okay, I feel confident I can escape the cops now. Move! Let's go this way. Crap. Nope, suck, buddy. I'm gonna take the hospital route. I was bad at it, but I'm gonna take the hospital route. Come on. Oh! Dang it! Who's in the car? Oh, crap. What are you doing here, buddy? Crap. What is wrong with my car? Come on! What are you doing? Move! I'm out of here! Crap! Oh! My God! I need a new car! Yo, get me a new car! No, how do I move over here? Okay. Crap. I gotta go. Whee! Dang! It's aggressive! Crap, move! Whee! No! I see a bumper in my face. I see a bumper. Oh my God! How aggressive are you guys? My car is totaled. Okay, so they said I wanted a new car, and they're like, no, frick you, man. You just want to destroy my cars. I'm like, oh, frick you. So I just stole a car. I probably better go. Okay. Oh, it's got power. That's a power. I like power. I got power in this. I hear cops. Oh crap. They know I stole this car. See you, suckers. Gotta go fast. Oh my God. Move. Yeah, you hit that cop. I gotta go. The power! Stop! Oh. Move! Man, what's your problem? What's your problem? I gotta go. They're coming. Oh, come. Look forward. Oh, hey, buddy. Gotta go. I gotta get out of here. The power in this. You let that guy! You're so evil! Crap. They know I stole this car. What is your problem? Go. Get out of there! Stop hitting me! Stop. They caught me, and now I'm in jail. Great. I gotta go fast. So I'm now part of the law. Look at this beauty. Pull this out real quick. Let me get out. Hold on, let me get out. Look at this beauty I just got. Whoa, wait. Of course, I'm not part of the police force. I actually stole this car, but don't tell the cops. Because that would be bad. Okay, so now I enforce the law. They can't enforce me because I enforce the law now. Okay. Move. How am I just starting to boil? This thing is crappy. What's up, buddy? Kind of thing. I'm part of the law now, buddies. Hey, buddies. I'm gonna go this way. Hey, anybody? I'm gonna speed down here now. Really? Ah, crap. I was trying to eat some pretzels. Now my kid got me from the back. Jimmy! 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 Oh, crap. Where'd Jimmy go? Oh, crap. I forgot Jimmy! Jimmy, I'm coming for you! I'm coming for you, Jimmy! I'm coming. Move. I need to find Jimmy. Jimmy fell in the back of my car. Are you running? Get over here, buddy. Oh, he running. Oh, he running. Over here. Pull over. Oh, he running. Oh, he running. Crap. Come here, buddy. I'm gonna kill you. Come here. Pippin over you. Oh, you butcher. Buddy. Get this man. He's sick of society. Yeah, pull from him. Butcher him. Oh, crap. Elijah. Oh, crap. Frick. Oh. Crap. We lost him. Well, now I got a space for a brand new cop car. That is just great. Okay, so they gave me a brand new car. I don't know why they did. Sirens going on already. What is going on? Oh, what is wrong with you, buddy? Oh, something happened to you. Crap. So how do I get on this roadblock? Move. Frick you. Oh, I hit the curb. Okay. How fast are we going on? No. Oh, crap. Stop. No, it's over 20. I still don't know where Jimmy is. He still fell out of the back somehow. I don't know how Jimmy fell out of the back, to be honest with you. He's just stupid. Jimmy is just stupid. I don't know how he fell out of the back. So I gotta go fast. Crap. I'm pull phone. Oh my god. Sirens. Oh, buddy. Use your blinker. Cops like first of all, they don't have to use their blinker. I don't know how to use my blinker. Hey! Get back here! Get back here! Get back here! Get back here! You! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get back here! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get! Oh, he's driving off! Oh, he's driving off! Buddy! Stop! Area of the law now! Buddy, I'm gonna shoot you if you start running. I'm gonna shoot you. I got a gun. Don't run. I got a gun. I will shoot you right in your O. Did he fall? Where'd he go? Buddy. Oh, he's driving. Oh, he's running. Get out of the car. Get out. I'm gonna kill you. Get over here. Where'd he go? Silence. Come on, buddy. That's what you did. I know you murdered my family. Okay. I think I got him. Finally got him. Okay. Now I can go back to patrolling. Okay. I think I'm on the wrong side of the highway. Where'd you come from? It's changed. Strange. And my car is like, it got some damage, but I don't care. Okay. Come on. Let's go. Gotta speed down this road. Get over. Pull over. Pull over. Sir, you brake check. Your bumper's low. Crap. Sir, you brake check me. Okay, you know what? You're free to go. Wait. Okay, you're free to go. Okay. I'm not gonna I just bumped into a car, but that's fine. So, I'm gonna go and start driving. If I see anybody do the slightest bit to a cop, I'm gonna yeet him with a gun. I'm gonna shoot him up. Buddy, you can go faster, you know. But, oh heck nah. Buddy, pull over. Pull over. Buddy, get out of the car. I've got a gun. Shots fired, shots fired, need backup, shots fired, shots fired. Come on, die, you criminal. I'm stuck. How am I stuck? How am I stuck? Get out of the car. Bro, I'm not gonna get out of the car. Okay, I think he's dead now. I think he's dead, but how do I get my car unstuck is my real question. I think I'm stuck. I think I'm stuck. Crap, I'm stuck. Okay, so I retired that old cop car and look at the bad boy I got now. It's undercover. You wanna see its lights? Look at its lights. Okay. Let's get rolling. Loser. Okay. So I'm undercover. They don't know I'm a cop. Cause I'm undercover. Pretty honestly. Freaking heck. Go faster. Go faster. Oh, you're turning. I'm gonna get into this line then. Oh, I hate, wait. Crap. There we go. Ha ha! Yahoo! Yahoo! Sup, buddy? There we go. You can't just brake check me like that, buddy. You can't just brake check me like that, loser. Okay, this car's stuck up here. Come on. Use your blinker, you stupid cop. Yo, hey! Hey, pull over. Get out of here. There we go. Okay. Sir, do you know why I pulled you over today? You pulled out in front of me and you're gonna go get a ticket. Here you go. There's your ticket. Okay. There we go. Alright, here we go. I'm different a car a little, but that's fine. Okay, now I'm gonna hit the road again. Alright. Move, you son. Come on. I know you're my partner and all, but you gotta move. Alright. I'm gonna go this way. I'm just gonna pass you up. So I'm just using cop stuff. Cop stuff! Crap. Sorry. Okay. Bang! Bang! It's not my fault! He's aggressive back there! Right? Yeah, he's aggressive. Oh my god! Oh my god! Step out of your car! Oh, we got him. Okay, you're free to go now. Why was that? He snapped in the back of me! Okay, that's next. I'm stuck. Alright, that's bad. How did I end up over here? No, I'm not gonna ask. I wanna go this way instead, because this way seems to be a lot better. I bet it's a lot less calm. There we go. There we go. There's the speed on this bad boy. Bad boy. Oh my god, move. There's a slow poke and you're a loser. I'm gonna go this way. Wee. Gotta go fast. I'm Lightning Queen. We gotta go fast. What's their problem? Put in front of me. What? Is he running? Hey, buddy. Move. Out of the cuffs. Where are you? There we go. My goodness! I'm gonna follow him. Hey! He's zooming! Oh my gosh! You good? Oh my god! Heck no! You guys good? Oh my god, look at this car! I hate you guys. Okay, let's get back on the road. Let's pull. Okay, let's go on the highway. I'm speeding. I'm a car. Oh my god. This thing has no traction. Let's keep pulling. It's pulling. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm about to die, bro. Pull! Oh my god! My car! My car's breaking. My car, okay. Why is it like this? I need to pull over. My back tire broken. How did that happen? Just before I finish my driving, I'm gonna go try and what the heck? Let's do some kids in my van. Okay, let's go do some kids. Okay, looking real nice. Okay, I got this is a big bulky van. I'm gonna do some kids. Wee. Oh, good attraction as well. Got 95 kids still. Whee! Crap! Oh, crap! I got kids in the back! I can't see! Oh, I can't see! I can't see! I can't see! I can't see! I can't! I'm going to jail!